Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the histology of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is formed by aggregates of acini or follicles. The thyroid follicles are spherical in shape and are formed by a single layer of epithelial cells that are surround a central thick solution called colloid, which is a viscous gel-like substance containing thyroglobulin in it. Coming to diagram. This is the histology diagram of thyroid gland. The cells that surround this matter is called these are the follicles. It lined by cuboidal cells. You may see that surrounding here. These are the cuboidal cells that surrounding. And this is the colloid. In follicles, colloid is present. It may be thyroglobulin. And between these are the follicles. These are the follicles. Between these follicles, a pair of follicular cells are present. Okay. Coming to questions. Which aggregates forms the thyroid gland? Which aggregation forms the thyroid gland? Acini and follicles. What is the shape of the thyroid follicles? And thyroid follicles are spherical in shape. These are spherical. And the layer formed these are surrounded by single layer of epithelial cells that surround thick solution called colloid. What it contains? What the colloid contains? It contains thyroglobulin and it is a viscous gel. The apical membrane of follicle cells that face the colloid is covered with microvilli. The cells contain numerous granular endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome and Golgi complex. Once again, apical membrane of follicle cells that face the colloid is covered with microvilli. The apical cell of follicles that face colloid is covered with microvilli. The cells contain numerous granular endoplasmic reticulum and lysosome and Golgi complex. What are the granular cells that contain in the cells? Endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome and Golgi complex. Coming to the figure. This is the diagram or structure of thyroid follicular cells. The apical membrane that faces the colloid is presence of microvilli and it contains the numerous granular structures called endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, Golgi apparatus and secretory vacuoles also present. The basal membrane of follicular cells is close in contact with numerous capillaries present in the interfollicular space. The basal membrane of follicular cells. is close contact with numerous capillaries present in the interfollicular cells. Okay, follicular cells basal membrane contact with numerous capillaries that is present in interfollicular cells. This is the basal membrane. These are the blood vessels. You may see the blood vessels. This basal membrane is in close contact with numerous blood capillaries, okay, that are present between the interfollicular. Interfollicular means that is between the follicle and follicles, okay. Parafollicular cells are C cells that secrete calcitonin are present close to follicles. Calcitonin is secreted from which cells? These are secreted from parafollicular cells. These are close or far from follicles? These are present close to follicles. Next, size of the follicle and quantity of colloid varies with state of activity of gland. The follicles are larger in size, containing more colloid when the gland is inactive. In the active gland, follicles are small, cells are cuboid, colloid is present in small quantity. Once again, size of follicle and quantity of colloid that vary with state of activity of gland. If the gland is in active state, the size is small and colloid present in that is small or less. If the gland in active state, the follicles are small and the cells obtain the cuboidal shape, and the colloid present in is less or small quantity. These are the follicular cells and this is the colloid present in it. When the thyroid gland is highly active, the colloid present in it is very less or in small quantity. And when the thyroid gland is moderately active, moderately colloid is present. When the thyroid gland is in inactive state, the colloid present in it is more, okay. In which stage the epithelial cells are cuboidal in shape. In active state, the epithelial cells are cuboidal in shape. Sorry. In active state, the epithelial cells that surround the follicles are in cuboidal shape. You observe here, in active state, and the colloid present in it is small quantity. In next video, we are going to learn about the synthesis, secretion and metabolism of thyroid hormones. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. If you need any particular topic, comment me. Thank you.